Hello there, this is our economics holiday assignment. For our topic, we'll be looking at why it is useful to use the concept of gross domestic product per capita when considering material standard of living over time. First, let's look at the definition of materialistic standard of living. Material standard of living consists of many factors. First, we have goods and services, which are the outcome of human or nature efforts. How affordable or easy goods and services, especially necessities, will attribute to material standard of living. Income disparity is also one of the factors of material standard of living. In a country with a large income inequality, the gap between the rich and poor is exaggerated. While the rich may be able to live affluently and have comfortable lifestyles, the poor may be subjected to a lower material standard of living, possessing less luxury goods. Other factors of material standard of living include housing and employment. Next, let's look at the definition of gross domestic product. GDP is the total monetary value of final goods and services produced using resources within the territory of a country in a particular year. A rise in GDP will lead to an increase in disposable income, which will give the population more purchasing power, allowing them to own more goods and services, which increases material standard of living. However, there are limitations of using only GDP to measure standard of living across time. We can use GDP per capita instead. GDP per capita is the GDP of a country over its population size. GDP per capita measures the average income of the people and shows how much income accrued or goods and services are accessible to each person in the economy. Thus, when comparing GDP over time, GDP per capita is a better indicator, as population size needs to be considered. Over time, the population of a country may differ due to varying birth and death rates. Thus, if GDP per capita increases over time, the average person in the country will have more goods and services available to them. Therefore, I hereby conclude the video for our group. This video is done by G, David, Yunkai and Lynn.